We all know that feeling. You're sick, your body aches, your throat is scratchy, you feel like you can barely move and all you want to do is curl up in bed and sleep. It's as if your body is sending you a clear message. Slow down, take it easy, and let me heal. You just want to sleep, and that's not just a desire. It's a crucial part of your recovery process. It turns out your body is telling you to do exactly the right thing. When you're sick, your body needs more energy to fight off the illness, and sleep is the best way to conserve and redirect that energy. Sleep is essential for a healthy immune system. During sleep, your body produces cytokines, which are proteins that help fight infection and inflammation. Without enough sleep, your immune system becomes weaker, making it harder to fend off viruses and bacteria. When you sleep, your body can focus on fighting off infection. This is because sleep allows your body to allocate more resources to your immune system, giving it the strength it needs to combat the illness effectively. Sleep is not just about rest, it's about restoration. Your body uses this time to repair tissues, build muscle, and synthesize proteins, all of which are vital for recovery. During sleep, your body works hard to repair and rejuvenate itself. This includes everything from healing wounds to regenerating cells, ensuring that you wake up feeling better and stronger. Getting enough sleep when you're sick can help you recover faster. Studies have shown that people who get adequate sleep recover more quickly from illnesses like the common cold and flu. It can also reduce your risk of complications. Lack of sleep can lead to a prolonged illness and increase the likelihood of developing more severe symptoms or secondary infections. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, listen to your body and make sleep a priority. Your health depends on it. Your immune system is your body's defense system. It protects you from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Sleep is crucial for a strong and effective immune response. During sleep, your body releases proteins called cytokines. Cytokines help fight infection and inflammation. They also signal your body to produce more white blood cells. White blood cells are the soldiers of your immune system. They attack and destroy invaders. Your body is constantly repairing and rebuilding itself. This process is essential for overall health. It's even more critical when you're sick. Sleep provides your body with the time and resources it needs to repair damaged cells and tissues. During sleep, your body produces more growth hormone. Growth hormone is essential for cell growth and repair. It also helps your body use energy more efficiently. Fighting off infection takes a lot of energy. When you're sick, your body has to work harder than usual. This extra work requires more energy. Sleep allows your body to conserve energy. Conserving energy is crucial for healing. Instead of expending energy on wakeful activities, your body can direct its resources toward fighting infection and repairing damage. Hormones play a vital role in regulating many bodily functions. This regulation includes your immune response. Sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy balance of hormones. During sleep, your body produces less cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone. High levels of cortisol can suppress your immune system. Sleep also increases the production of melatonin. Melatonin has antioxidant properties that can help protect your cells from damage. Sleep and inflammation control. Inflammation is a natural part of your body's immune response. However, too much inflammation can be harmful. Sleep helps regulate your body's inflammatory response. During sleep, your body produces less of a protein called TNF-alpha. TNF-alpha is a pro-inflammatory cytokine. By reducing TNF-alpha levels, sleep helps keep inflammation in check. Sleep and vaccine efficacy. It's a fascinating and crucial connection that many people might not be aware of. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of a virus or bacteria into your body. This process is designed to safely expose your immune system to the pathogen. This introduction triggers your immune system to produce antibodies, which are specialized proteins that can recognize and neutralize the pathogen. These antibodies protect you from getting sick if you're exposed to the real virus or bacteria in the future. Essentially, your body is trained to fight off the infection before it can cause harm. Studies have shown that getting enough sleep after receiving a vaccine can improve its effectiveness. Sleep is a critical period during which your body can focus on building a robust immune response. During sleep, your body undergoes various restorative processes, including the production of cytokines, which are essential for fighting off infections and inflammation. Adequate sleep ensures that your body has the time and resources to produce these important molecules, thereby enhancing the vaccine's efficacy. This stronger immune response means that you are better protected against the disease, allowing you to go about your daily life with greater peace of mind. In summary, not only is getting vaccinated important, but ensuring you get enough sleep afterward is equally crucial for maximizing the vaccine's protective benefits. Sleep and cognitive function. When you're sick, you might experience brain fog or difficulty concentrating. Sleep deprivation can worsen these cognitive symptoms. Sleep is essential for optimal brain function. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, clears out toxins, and rests and rejuvenates. Getting enough sleep can help improve your cognitive function while you're sick, allowing you to think more clearly and make better decisions. Sleep, medications, and treatment. These three elements are deeply interconnected and play a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Many medications, including over-the-counter cold and flu remedies, can cause drowsiness. This is a common side effect that many people experience. This drowsiness is not necessarily a bad thing. In fact, it can be a beneficial response from your body, signaling that it needs rest to heal and recover. In fact, it can be a sign that your body needs rest. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, working to fix any damage and restore your energy levels. Sleep can also enhance the effectiveness of certain medications. When you are well rested, your body can better absorb and utilize the medications you take. For example, some pain relievers work better when taken before bed. This is because your body can focus on healing without the distractions of daily activities. This is because they can work in sync with your body's natural healing processes during sleep. Your body's natural rhythms and cycles are optimized during rest, making treatments more effective. Getting enough sleep is essential for a speedy recovery. Quality sleep allows your immune system to function at its best, fighting off infections and illnesses more efficiently. It allows your body to focus on what it needs to do to get you back to feeling your best. Prioritizing sleep, especially when you are unwell, can make a significant difference in how quickly you recover. So the next time you are feeling under the weather, remember that sleep is not just a passive activity, it is an active part of your treatment plan. Make sure to create a restful environment free from distractions to maximize the benefits of both your medications and your sleep. Turn off the lights, put away electronic devices, and allow your body the time it needs to heal. Your health will thank you for it. In conclusion, sleep, medications, and treatment are all vital components of your health. They work together to ensure that you recover quickly and effectively. By understanding and respecting the importance of sleep, you can enhance the effectiveness of your treatments and improve your overall well-being. Please subscribe now to join our community. Give a thumbs up to encourage us to bring more interesting, challenging, and high-quality videos to everyone. Our channel, MedSign Health 360, has many more videos to bring the crucial, latest, and systemic medical and health knowledge with a simple approach to everyone for better health and a better life. We would love to hear your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Pause 1S. As we delve deeper into the science behind sleep, let's explore the biochemical reasons why sleep is essential for healing and recovery. Pause 1S. First, sleep plays a critical role in the reduction of oxidative stress. Adequate sleep helps lower oxidative stress levels, which can damage cells and tissues. High levels of oxidative stress are often associated with chronic diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, sleep promotes cellular health and recovery, ensuring that your body can repair itself effectively. Pause 1S. Next, sleep helps maintain the balance of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine regulate mood and immune response. During sleep, these neurotransmitters are stabilized, which is crucial for overall health and recovery from illness. A balanced neurotransmitter system means a more resilient and responsive immune system. Pause 1S. Lastly, sleep promotes the production of cytokines, which are proteins that play a crucial role in the immune response. Cytokines help to fight off infections and inflammation. Lack of sleep can reduce the production of these important proteins, making it harder for your body to recover. By ensuring you get enough sleep, you enable your body to produce the necessary cytokines to combat illness effectively. Pause 1S. Understanding these biochemical processes highlights the importance of prioritizing sleep, especially when you're unwell. By giving your body the rest it needs, you support its natural healing mechanisms at the cellular level. Pause 1F. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, remember that sleep is not just a passive activity. It is an active part of your treatment plan, working behind the scenes at a biochemical level to restore your health. Pause 1S. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Medsign Health 360, for more insights into health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that aids your journey to better health and a better life. Pause 1S. Another crucial aspect of sleep is its role in reducing the risk of complications when you're ill. Pause 1S. Adequate sleep can significantly shorten the duration of illness, helping you to recover more quickly. This is especially important for respiratory illnesses such as the common cold or flu. Pause 1S. When you sleep, your body produces and releases proteins called cytokines, which help fight infection and inflammation. Inadequate sleep can reduce the production of these vital proteins, making it harder for your body to combat illness effectively. Pause 1S. By ensuring you get enough sleep, you not only support your immune system, but also decrease the likelihood of complications that can arise from illnesses. Pause 1S. This means fewer chances of developing pneumonia, bronchitis, or other severe respiratory conditions. Pause 1S. In essence, sleep acts as a natural safeguard, helping you to navigate through illness with a lowered risk of severe outcomes. Pause 1S. So, the next time you feel under the weather, remember that good sleep hygiene is a key component of your recovery strategy. Pause 1S. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Medsign Health 360, for more insights into health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that aids your journey to better health and a better life. Pause 1S. Cognitive function. Sleep deprivation can impair cognitive function and make it harder to concentrate. Pause 1S. Getting enough sleep keeps you mentally sharp, allowing you to make better decisions about your health and recovery. Pause 1S. When you're sick, it's crucial to be in the best mental state possible to follow treatment plans. Remember to take medications and recognize any symptoms that may need medical attention. Pause 1S. Proper sleep ensures that your brain can process and retain new information, making it easier to understand and adhere to your doctor's advice. Pause 1S. Additionally, good cognitive function supports emotional well-being, which is equally important during illness. Pause 1S. When you sleep well, you're better equipped to handle stress and maintain a positive outlook, both of which contribute to a faster and more effective recovery. Pause 1S. So, never underestimate the mental edge that a good night's sleep can provide, especially when you're on the road to recovery. Pause 1S. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Medsign Health 360, for more insights into health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that aids your journey to better health and a better life.